Hello, and welcome to today's Guardian training video. This video will cover roster management and document uploading for licensing and home care agencies. The following topics will be covered in today's training video: locating and printing a roster, separating individuals from a roster, how to manage the determination available hiring decision, and document uploading. Each topic discussed in today's video will correlate with a section in the Licensing and Home Care Agencies User Guide with step-by-step instructions to assist with navigation through Guardian. The first topic we will cover is managing your roster. This will include locating and printing a roster and separating individuals from a roster. We will first cover locating and printing a roster. To access your agency's roster from the home page, hover over the Rosters tab on the navigation bar. Select Rosters. You will then be brought to the Association roster page. You will notice there are fields available to enter search criteria. If you are an agency user who has an account which oversees multiple agencies, these fields may be helpful. For most agency users, there will only be 1 or 2 agencies assigned to your user account. The quickest way to locate your roster is to select the agency dropdown and select your desired agency's name. Only agencies assigned to your user account will populate here. Something to note is the association status field. This feature will edit the list of applicants you are selecting to view. Initially, this field will auto-populate to active. However, you can change it based on your needs. By selecting active, you will generate a list of applicants currently associated to your agency. By selecting separated, you will generate a list of applicants who are no longer associated to your agency. By selecting all, you will generate a list of both active and separated individuals. Once your desired search criteria has been entered, you may select Search. Your roster will populate towards the bottom of the page under Search Results. The roster will display the application number for each applicant. And again, an application number is tied to a specific association to an agency. You may also view the background check ID, which again, the background check ID is unique to a set of fingerprints. Your agency name will also display, as well as some basic applicant information. The determination column will give you a snapshot view of where this person is in their background check process. You will notice in this example, the roster displays applicants who are in process, meaning they still need to submit fingerprints or their background check is already in process. There are applicants who have an eligible determination status, meaning they are eligible to work. You will also notice the Actions column to the far right, which will allow you to edit the applicant's association to your roster. We will get into this information shortly. However, there are 2 options to print your roster. The first being, you may select the Print option at the bottom of the page. The second being, you may select the CSV file option, which will export your roster to an Excel spreadsheet. This document may be saved and printed. Now we will cover separating individuals from a roster. Once you locate your roster, you will notice the Actions column display the Edit field. If there are applicants on your roster with a not eligible determination status, you may also see the Disassociate from Roster option. Individuals with a not eligible determination status must be removed from your roster by you or another agency user who has access to your agency's roster. We will get more into this shortly. To simply disassociate someone from your roster, select the Edit feature under the Actions column. The Edit Association box will populate. You must first change the association status for this applicant from permanent to separated. Permanent simply means that they are associated. Separated means they are disassociated. You will then be required to enter a separation date. Once all required fields are entered, select Save. Your applicant's association status should reflect separated, and an association end date should be input in the appropriate column. The applicant will no longer appear on your roster when you search for active association statuses. Next, we will cover managing the determination available hiring decision. Now we will cover managing the determination available hiring decision. As initial applications are submitted for your agency, you may notice the determination column changing from in process to eligible or not eligible. All applications for your agency which result in a determination status must have action taken on their applications. As mentioned in the Guardian 101 video for licensing and home care agencies, you should utilize the at-a-glance dashboard as a checklist of action items your agency must complete. Eligibility determination in process are applications in which the background check is still in process. Eligibility determination complete are applications in which a determination has been made on an applicant's background check. Keep in mind, if you hover over each at-a-glance queue, helpful text will appear. The eligibility determination complete applications require your agency's action. Select the hyperlinked number to access these applications. You will notice the determination column for these applicants all reflect a final determination, eligible or not eligible. Individuals with a not eligible determination status must be removed from your agency's roster. To remove these applicants, simply select Disassociate from Roster. The Disassociate from Roster box will populate. Enter a separation date and select Save. You may then select Close Without Hiring to remove the applicant from your pending queue. For applicants who have received an eligible determination status, you will notice you still have the option to disassociate them from your roster. Or you can simply close the pending application from your queue. By selecting Close, these individuals will remain on your roster. You are simply removing the pending action from your queue. Again, applications in this queue should be managed and should not remain in this pending queue. Next, we will cover uploading documents. There may be an instance where an applicant who does not utilize Guardian will request assistance in uploading their exemption documents for them. The agency may perform this task for the applicant, but should always encourage the applicant to register for their own Guardian account, as it will allow them to upload documents on their own and track their background check process. The first step is for the agency to locate the applicant on their roster. Once the applicant is located, the agency may select their hyperlinked last name field. The agency will be routed to the Person Summary page. Select the Applications tab. You may then expand the applications associated with this background check option. You should see the applicant's association to your agency. Select Upload Document under the Actions column. The Upload Application Document box will appear. You may search your device by selecting the Select File name, you must then name the document you are uploading, and select Upload once complete. You may then access the Documents tab to view any documents uploaded. The documents will be viewable and accessible by the Care Provider Management Bureau staff for processing. This concludes the roster management and document uploading for licensing and home care agencies video. Additional videos may be located at guardian.dss.ca.gov. Thank you for watching.